Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Nike Dunk Low in the Samba colorway. Now before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. I'm also doing a giveaway on this channel. I'm giving away some Supreme items as well as some Soul Luxury items. That is my brand. If you want to enter in that giveaway, the details are in my recent video, the Jordan 1 Low cartoon custom video. So go check that out, enter in the giveaway. With that being said, let's get to the video. Originally released in 2001 as a Japan exclusive, the Nike Dunk Low Samba will be making a retro return during the 2020 summer season. Dressed in a hyper blue Samba and silver color scheme, this Nike Dunk Low will look exactly like the original, featuring a hyper blue and silver upper detailed with Samba red carbon fiber swoosh on the sides and heels. A white midsole atop a red rubber outsole completes the design. Look for the Nike Dunk Low Samba to release on August 21st at select retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $100 US. Now I am going to be leaving a full store list in the description below. Places holding raffles, so you guys are definitely going to want to enter in those raffles. It just gives you a better chance at getting the shoes. It's a red, blue, gray, and white color scheme. I think you could pull off a lot of America style outfits with this shoe. Pretty much red, white, and blue, just like the American flag. Fuck yeah! Coming again to save the motherfucking day, yeah! You really can't go wrong if you're trying to do anything like that, you know, 4th of July, all that good stuff. Porno! Fuck yeah! Fake tits! Fuck yeah! Spotify! Fuck yeah! America! So you have gray outerlays and blue underlays. Now the leather on the shoe doesn't seem to be anything special, but the quality does seem to be fairly decent. Now you have a blue tongue. It does come with white laces. I imagine this shoe would look good with gray, blue, or red laces. Then you have a white lining, blue insole with a white Nike logo. Heel section, you do have a red tab with the word Nike embroidered on the back in black, white midsole, and red outsole. Now let's get into resale. On StockX, this shoe is going for around $300 to $500. I definitely see that price dropping a little bit, but not by a whole lot. I see this shoe going for around $275 to $375. Obviously, your lower sizes are going to do better on resale. So if you are going for resale, go for your size 8 to 9. So yeah, there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think of the shoe. What are your resale predictions? Again, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks.
Look,
we out.
I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done, nigga. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.